What else? They got peanuts. They got peanuts.
Peanuts, I'm sure.
You want the peanuts?
Peanuts for me. What up, KK, motherfucking gang? Real talk, man. Had to come grab us something to eat, man. But real talk, man. We be getting hungry. I be having to feed this beast, you know what I'm saying? This mighty beast. Plus, my beast be growling on me too. So, but yeah, Five Guys Burger Fries. This is my second time actually eating here in my life. So,
mine too.
My second time. The first time I ate there had to be in like. My dad had took me to the stadium in Dallas, Texas, and that's where we ate Five Guys Burgers and Fries. And that was like, I think I was 16, 17, so I'm 22 now. So
hey,
y'all do the math.
Before we say anything else, make sure y'all subscribe.
Yeah, go like the channel. You know what I'm saying.
We give this video a big thumbs up.
That we up and coming artists. You know what I'm saying. Up and coming YouTubers. You go show us some love.
Yeah. It's gonna eat real good.
Yeah, I got me a raspberry Minute Maid because you know what I'm saying. I love juices. I really don't like pops at all because they make my stomach hurt and I be burping. I can't stand that. And she can't stand when I be burping. But yeah, it's my second time eating here. Me and baby. I thought you know what I'm saying. We had to go out today because I haven't been going out with her. All we've been doing is saving money.
I mean some peanuts.
Nasty ass peanuts.
They good.
Nasty ass peanuts. Got it off his close friends. Got a regular little burger.
I got bacon on mine. They good. Makes it taste juicy.
I'm reaching up with a phone.
Oh, it's good. Mine's dry. It was good.
I can't tell, Five Guys. Y'all pretty good, man. Watching the video, man. Give a thumbs up to Five Guys Burgers and Fries, man. Smash that like button with Five Guys Burgers and Fries, man. Thank you. Even though my little burger and hers, little burger, I could have bought 10 cheeseburgers. I don't really do that, so. watch the weirdest YouTube.